You are now watching the Blender daily tips and tricks, and here is the lesson of base point. Base point is a very smart way for snapping, and basically it works in object mode and edit mode. If you select this cube and press G for grab and press B, you can select any edge or the center or the corner. So you can select the face or corner. So let's select this corner and press here to snap here. If you want to select or move this to be here, so press GB and such as this. Maybe we want this to be here, so press GB and let's move it here, or GB and move this to be here, or GB and move this to be here. And that's it for the base point. Of course you can snap the middle, so GB, selecting GB and snap this middle to this middle. I hope this is fine and clear for you. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in another Blender trick.